Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make a Switch character for literal noobs. Are you too lazy but you don't want to work at all? Yeah. Well, this is perfect for you because if you want to switch your character, I found an easiest way to do it. So what I'm gonna quickly do is I'm just gonna create characters and I'm gonna change it to the UE4 mannequin, okay? Pretty easy. Okay, because that's already in there. So what you want to do is create the user interface. So it'll be the, let's say the spin, I'm gonna call it. Not sit. I'm just gonna keep it like this because I'm too lazy. Okay guys, so here and here you can color it whatever you like. By the way, I'm using Photopea for this. Photopea, not Photoshop. Okay, you can put whatever you like. I'm just gonna quickly make something and I'll show you how to do it also. I'm just gonna grab the color of this. I'm gonna just paint it all over it. Paint, 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 paint. You don't have to do this, you can just use it regularly if you're just making a rip-off pretty much. I'm just gonna quickly paint it. Okay, so once you've painted off the character, one of the characters, you can use a blur tool. It blurs pretty much just blurs it down so you can't see really well. That's how I make sure to join it, and you can do the rest, but you can put like a stick figure maybe, I don't know, whatever your character is. You can like make screenshot of it and just paste it here with some editing. Okay, so it'll probably look like something like this, one of the characters. Okay, there you go. Boom. Then what you want to do is just export it, okay, as PNG. Okay, so that's what you do. Okay, once you've done your thing, I made it like this. Okay, so here are my characters from my actual game I'm making. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to put in here an image. You can create an animation, but for this I'm just gonna make him plain and simple. The image, you can put it as what your image thing is, and mine is of course the wheel remove thing. And the best option I'm gonna say is copy outside and paste it for that, so it looks like more even and better. And then another thing you want to do is you want to do like a little button. It doesn't have to be like all like perfect and round, just on top of the characters so it fits. And you might be saying, what the heck are you doing? It doesn't look good at all. You'll understand. And then just put one there and then another one there. Okay, so once you've got all three on top of the characters, there's a reason why we're putting it like this. Okay, so then just anchor it. If you don't anchor it, it doesn't work, so one pop. Okay, so then what you want to do is select all three and then you want to go to background color and just set it to 0. Now compile and save. You don't have to do that, but okay. So I'm gonna just create one of them. So the button on the clicked, you want to do is cast to third person BP character. It might be third person character for Unreal Engine 4. Okay, the object is get player character. How's the play? Get mesh. So essentially here what we're doing is getting the mesh, and then we're gonna set skeletal mesh asset. Okay, and what you want to do is the mesh being which one you want, and for me I'm going to put it like that. Okay, compile and save. I'm just going to quickly check which one the bottom one is. Okay, the bottom 0, yeah, the bottom, yeah. Okay, it's the Sophie one. Okay, so then you can do this like, let's say, and you go to the third person BP characters. Now in the third person blueprints, and then in here you can go to the event graph. For me, you can do it like an event begin play. What I'm gonna do is if you press K, okay, I'm gonna quickly oh yeah, it's gonna be way harder if you do like that, but in easier ways you can just go to input and then just put an action mapping, and I'm gonna say like, let's say wheel, okay, and then you can change it to like, let's say Y, and then you can put it in here, wheel So you should see action events and it'll be whatever you named it. And one press, you want to create widget. And of course that being your wheel widget. Add to viewport. And another way, if you want to press a different button to like make it, it's easy. You just, do it. But for me, I think it's better if you press it, but then you press it again, it closes. Okay, so you want to do a branch. Right? Right? Yeah, I think so. No, not a branch. Oh, something else. I forgot what it's called. Oh yeah, flip-flop. A flip-flop. It might sound weird, the name, but yes. Okay. Branch. If A, okay? If that is true, but if it's false, you can just, here's an easier way, get all widgets of class. This is going to be super helpful when you have like many widgets in your game. So we're going to do this and then just remove from parent, okay? And of course plug it in there, compile and save. Now you can open it, press Y, and once you press Y, oh no, it doesn't work. Oh, sad, eh? Because you didn't do this one thing. All you have to do is just quickly anchor this. I'm going to quickly do that because you saw how it was. And one thing also you want to do is you want to go back to your event graph, and then you want to do, you can keep it set input mode UI only, okay? Right, let me think real quick. Input mode only. Get player controller, and of course set it to your, go there, okay? Perfect. Compile and save. And next what you want to do is you want to bring it out here. Set mouse, set show mouse cursor, and then tick it so you can see it also. And then after that you can do set input mode game only, and then after that just set show mouse cursor, plug it in and keep it false. Compile and save, open it up. Once you press Y, it makes you see, and then you press it, it changes. See? Press Y again, it doesn't. Because B is in there. B is that, right? I don't know if it works or not. Wait, let me check. No. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly do something real quick. Okay, I'm just gonna quickly, you can just look at this. Pressed, okay, let's say released is do this, okay? Boom. So you press Y, you hold it, but I don't know. Oh my god, I just realized why. Oh, that actually worked. It actually worked what I made. Sorry guys. Set input, not just UI. You want to set input mode game and UI only. So then you can actually change it. Hide cursor doing capture, false. Of course, compile and save, but you want to just quickly, just whoop. And boom. You have it working. All done. Sophia. Then just Y again. And then boom, it works. So if you want a tutorial on how to create the animation so it looks smoother and like more realistic, that changes, comment it down below. And without, oh yeah, make sure to visit my game on itch.io. I will be posting some updates on it, and yeah, make sure to subscribe to my account. I mean, not subscribe, yeah, something like that. And without further ado, of course, bye-bye.